Hi friends, I'm Miss Angie, and welcome to Ms. Angie's Preschool World. Today, we will be learning about the letters of the alphabet and vowels. Friends, there are 26 letters in the alphabet, say 26 uppercase and 26 lowercase letters. If we count them all together, we have a grand total of 52 letters. Now, let's move on to our vowels.
What are vowels, Miss Angie?
I'm glad you asked. Vowels are letters that help us make sounds and words smoothly. Repeat after me, there are 5 vowels. Say, A-E-I-O.
A, E, I, O, U.
And the rest of the letters are consonants. Remember, the letter E is the busiest letter in the alphabet. The letter E is busy because it helps all the other letters out when creating words and sounds. E is also a silent letter in words. Miss Angie wants you to repeat this video until you memorize how many letters and vowels are in the alphabet. To find out more about consonants, stay tuned to my next video and remember to hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss next videos.